Steam distillation is used to get volatile components from things. Water and the thing you want to extract from is added to the distilling flask, and a heat source is used to boil the water. The volatile components of the thing you're extracting from goes over into the receiving flask with the water as the water vapor travels. Steam distillation can be useful when the substance of interest cannot be heated to its boiling point, as it will decompose or something like that. Instead, you can just heat it to the water's boiling point, and it will go with the water. I've decided to steam distill ginger, not really for any particular reason. I just have it, and also it has volatile components. A bunch of ginger was added to the distilling flask, and let's pretend I didn't spill any. The ginger really didn't want to go into the flask, so I had to poke it a bunch of times. The funnel was then washed to make sure all the ginger went in, and then water was added. Then I add a condenser and a separatory funnel, since I don't have an addition funnel. The funnel will allow me to add water whenever there's not enough water in the distilling flask. I add a vacuum takeoff adapter in the receiving flask at the end of the condenser. I connect the condenser to the cooling water. The heating mantle is raised and the heating is turned on. I decide to insulate the flask with aluminum foil. I don't know where the rest of my distillation footage went, but at the end of the distillation, I got this cloudy, slightly yellow liquid. I think it's yellow because it foamed over slightly. Sometimes the oil will separate from the water, but in this case it didn't. If I wanted to, I could extract it with a solvent, but I'm not going to do that here because I don't really need it for anything.